The AtlasIED have now expanding the range in Atmosphere. Atmosphere has been around for a number of years, but obviously last year they introduced obviously the powered version. So we had the AZMP 8 and 4, 4-channel with DSP and 8-channel. And now obviously this year obviously they've introduced the Dante version. So there's 4 new models in the rack mount version, and obviously then there's the DP version, the AZMP 8 DP, which obviously allows you, obviously, if you have issues with space in your facility or your location, you don't have room for a rack mount amplifier, we can actually put it into a drawer. It's all fitted in a drawer. You're allowed to put a power player, music player source, or radio mics, obviously, in that cabinet as well. So it allows space, obviously, for the smaller restaurants, the smaller hospitality venues. The one thing that's also really important is listening to the customer. What does the customer want? And also ensuring, obviously, that our products can actually fit their facility or their location or where they want to put. A lot of facilities and restaurants are not built or designed with the audio in at the start. It's sometimes a last minute or a mid-term through the project that they change and they go, okay, where are we going to put the audio and where we put the control, and what control do they need and who has controlled that product. So it's also about locking down, making sure obviously that only certain people can have access to it, and whether they want the staff to control it or whether they want anybody to control. Aimline as a series of products obviously is evolving and it will evolve over time, and we've not been doing nothing behind the scenes. Obviously we've got to integrate obviously Aimline series, the ALX-D8, into our global comm system, and we've also got to incorporate obviously into our other systems obviously that we actually develop. So yes, behind the scenes, obviously, we've been working very hard, and obviously there's new technologies coming. There's new products coming in the future. PoE we're looking at. Obviously, that will be coming as a future, and obviously, seeing the roadmap of new products. I'm very excited about that. AtlasIED as a company, as I work for, as I welcomed, I've been here less than 6 months, and it's a family. Everybody works for each other. There's no reason why I cannot pick up a phone and talk to somebody in America, and I can't speak to anybody in APAC and have assistance or get help. Whereas, the 90 years is historic and it's great for a brand sort of thing, but it's all about the now. We want to make sure we serve our customers and make sure that our customers come first. Without customers, there's no business. So we have to make sure that we listen, and listening is what we do. We build trust, and they understand.